everything about you.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie and thanks for joining me. I'm gonna be doing a 2000s type realness sound for a music video. This is everything for me. This was my era. Late 90s, early 2000s was my jam. If y'all wanna know how I got this amazing look with hella blending, I mean, check out this blending really quick. I finished this, I was like, damn. Who is that? You want to know how I got this look? Please keep watching. Hey guys, all right, so here we go. We're going to take you from looking to dull to fab. First, we're going to start with our NYX eyeshadow base in white with a Wet n Wild shadow brush. And we're just going to pat that all over our lid, really blending it out. We're not even going to set it. Right after this, we're going to go straight in with the shadows. Now we're going in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese. It has a pearl to it, and putting it on our brow bone and our tear duct, because in the 2000s it was all about that hella highlighted brow bone. Oh my god, yes. Now we're going in with the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in Brights, and we're going to be using that Robin's Egg Blue, using a Morphe M433, and using like the lightest touch ever. And starting with our outer corner in our crease and kind of like just easily blending it out. Next, we're going with Sugar Pill Kimchi in the same brush and just going over that same area on the outer third and our crease, and just dipping back into Kimchi in that Robin's Egg. Now I'm using the Morphe M506 and the Bright Blue and the Dark Sky Blue, and using Bright Blue first on the same area where we've already traced out, and then dipping into the Sky Blue with the same brush, just really lightly gathering it up and starting it out on the outer third. Where you start is the darkest spot, so I really wanted that cool gradient effect, and just using the lightest touch, going in and out with those same colors, just back and forth, bright to dark. Now using Morphe M149 and Evidence by Urban Decay, I am just tracing out the top part of my crease first with the darkest color, and then going and filling in with my outer third. I just felt like that would help me kind of go over and manipulate my crease. Next, we're gonna cut the crease using the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral and an e.l.f. detail brush, and just going kind of all the way over, blending it out, taking my time, and then feathering the edges to help for a better blend. To set, I'm using my favorite highlighter by Artistic Couture, Cocoa Bling, and the same Wet n Wild shadow brush from earlier. And then I'm going to go over that with some glitter by NYX using their primer, which is amazing. And the glitter by NYX is called Ice. And then just going over all of that highlight, making it extra glittery, hella amazing, duh. Okay. So let's start blending our outer third. We're going to use the same brush from before, dipping into the Robin's Egg Blue, then the Bright Blue, and then Evidence from Urban Decay. An extra wing using my Kat Von D tattoo liner. And if you mess up on the bottom, it's totally cool. We're going to clean it up later with a little wipe. Using Ardell, the 251s. Use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. Milani Instant Touch-Up Blur Stick. I'm going to try the Milani Conceal and Perfect in number 1 in Creamy Vanilla. Hopefully it's my shade. And then a Real Techniques brush. I'm gonna highlight really quick, and I'm gonna bake, that way I can do my eyebrows. Like, I do my eyebrows way last just because I don't like it. Oh no, the product ends up rubbing off on me while I'm doing everything else, and to be honest, I can't be having this whole like, gotta touch up, you know? And I'm just gonna blend it out with the Beauty Blender. Underneath, I'm gonna go with the same white base. I'm gonna use the Makeup Shack T187. I'm gonna just dip into it. In Your Dreams Purple Unicorn glitter. It kind of matches my background. I'm just going to use this same brush that I used earlier with the extra stuff on it, just so it can look a little bit more blended. It's just your typical going to the store look. Alright, I'm going to use Dolce Pink by Milani. Bronzer that I always do, and the same angled brush that I always use. Spray my face. The MAC Fix Plus Coconut. Now I'm going to use the Artist Couture Cocoa Bling and a Wet n Wild highlight brush. A brow stylist definer. Do this really quick. For lips, I'm going to use NARS Sex Machine and the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers in Fluke. Love this fucking look. Fucking love it! Be right back. I'm gonna go put on my wig and my bandana and look fucking cute or whatever, and I will see you in a second. Okay, you guys, this is the ending look of my 2000s type of inspired look. Let me know if you like it. Please give a like, a subscribe, and a share, and I hope to see y'all at the newest tutorial.